Hi, Jeff Cote here with Pacific Yacht Systems. What we're going to talk about next is instruments. So here we have a typical instrument, squarish looking instrument. And what it is really a way, it's a portal to see sort of data, information, navigational data for your boat. So what could that be? That could be, most commonly, would be depth. It could be wind speed. It could be speed on ground. It could be temperature, barometer, sea temperature, all this sort of data. So an instrument is not a place where you're going to find chart plotter. You're not going to be able to see radar, but it's a place where you're going to be able to see common information that you use to make navigational decisions on your boat. So when you install one of them, nowadays they're called multifunctional displays because realistically these devices, comparatively a little bit, you don't have to buy now an instrument just for depth, an instrument just for speed, an instrument just for wind. You can actually buy one instrument that does it all. So that's a really good way to kind of consolidate all these instruments that you have on your boat, and they can do anything that you want them to do. You've got to connect them to sensors or an NMEA 2000 backbone, and you're going to want to have maybe a wind anemometer, you're going to have a depth transducer, a speed paddle wheel, a barometer, an NMEA 2000 paddle wheel. You could even start to have, engine sensors, like you can have NMEA 2000 sensors for your engine. The list goes on and on and on. But ultimately, what's really good about an instrument is it's a really condensed, concise way of giving you relevant information that is navigation. And we install that all the time. Sailboaters do it, power boaters do them, and they're just really handy. And so I really like how compact they are, and look how bright the screen is. Back in the day, 20, 30 years ago, you would almost have to be looking at them directly. Now you can look at them at an angle, and you can see clearly the information, and you can set up the screen for whatever you like. You can have it one number, or you can have it show a little bit of a graphic, or have a whole set of information. If you've got any further questions about instruments and how they can be useful for your boat, contact us, and thanks for watching.